Okay, in this video we will be looking at roundabouts again, but positioning on, well, actually once we've entered the roundabout. So one of the other videos we talked about positioning on approach. On this one we're going to be talking about positioning once we're entering or as we're about to enter. So in the highway code it clearly shows you that you should be in the left hand lane, mirror signal to the left if you're turning left, enter to the left and then exit at the first exit. If you're going straight on, again you should be in the left lane, no signal on approach. Once you've entered, keep well to the left, stay on the outside, and then mirror signal off just as you get to, well, just as you've passed the exit before the one you want. Mirror signal off and then come off again. If there's two lanes on exit, then make sure you keep to the left lane. If you're turning right, then you'd keep to the right lane, mirror signal on approach. Once you've entered, this time you'd keep to the inside, and gradually peel off to the left as you're passing the exit just before the one you want, and also including your interior mirror left mirror signal, and make sure you come off in the left lane again. Okay, so quite straightforward stuff, although it's a little bit difficult in practice, but that's the bottom line of it. Let's have a look and see if we can have a different perspective on it from a different angle. So let's have a look at this. The car's approaching, keeping well to the left and exiting. This time we're going straight on, keeping well to the left, mirror signal and exiting. We're leaving space for the inside. And this time we're turning right. So as we enter, keeping well to the right and the inside, following it round. Gradually when we get to about 12 o'clock on the clock face, we start peeling off, checking our interior mirror, left mirror and signalling off as we come off the roundabout. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it is quite simple in theory, but it can be quite challenging if you're not prepared properly, if you haven't sorted your position out on approach. And yeah, I mean, things just get a little bit hectic on roundabouts sometimes, but generally if you know where you're going on approach and you've positioned well to begin with, then hopefully things should be a bit easier once you've entered. Okay, see you in the next video.